I'm making a makeup tutorial for what I wear to school every single day. First, I usually start with eyeliner. And then I'm gonna do the other side. If I can. This is her mascara. I did mascara, I did eyeliner. Next, I'll do concealer. Sometimes I do concealer first, and I don't even take it all the way out of the thing. I just go like that, take it off the side. I can't add too much because then I turn even more of a ghost. Then, what is this? Hydrating lip shine. It's like lip gloss. Then I have blush, so I just take it and I go like that, and then I put it like on my cheeks. The last step is highlight, and it's on there. I'm not flipping you off, I swear. And then I put it on a little circle, and then on my bridge, and then in the corners of my eyes. And yeah, that's basically it.